Here we have a folding hitch mount bike rack that takes 2 bikes for your van. Easily goes onto the back of your van via the hitch mount, clips on, and yeah, it's pretty well secure. It just had a little bit of a wiggle in it because it had an extra piece that I couldn't work out where the hell it goes to. It folds down so you can open the right hand rear door, not the left, and you can also fold the rack down when you're not using it, or you can just pull the pin out and take it away and lock it in your van. So it's very versatile, and it's not actually expensive. It's only like $59 on eBay for a folding bike rack. Weighs about 12 kilograms, so it's not light, but it's durable and heavy. Gee, once you put the bike on, there's no wiggle at all because the weight holds it in place. But you can see there's a bit of a wiggle. Had an extra piece. I don't know what happened with that. It wouldn't fit inside where the instructions said, so I must be missing something on another planet.